Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to design a simple Black Friday maybe logo, or what should I call it, a kind of a poster for your brand during this period. I'm sure you have so many things that you want to advertise out there and you're looking for a way to actually incorporate the logo of Black Friday or any of those designs. So today I'm going to be taking you through how I created my own, and I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to the workspace as we start the exploration right away. So this is the one I created for myself, 26 pages, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you how to create. I'm going to be teaching you how to create this first page from the beginning to the end. So let me just let me duplicate. Then after duplicating, I'm going to delete everything there. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go and look for a picture. Just go to picture, that's photo, and look for black background. I'm going to look for black background. I've even seen some other ones that are also interesting. I'm going to be changing the concept this time. I think I like the one with clothes. There's this one that I saw not quite long. Yes, this particular one. Okay, you are a teacher or you are actually looking for ways to get these things done this Black Friday, you can actually incorporate this design. Then I go to adjust. So I'm going to blur this clothes, blur, and give it a nice I think this is fine. Okay, then after this I think I'm fine with this background. So the next thing I'm going to do, let me look at it again. Okay, brush. I need to go to my element, then I will search the word brushes, paint brush, paint. I think it was paint that, yes, I think paint will be the best option. I'll look for different types of paint. Over here we have a lot of them, and this is not bad. Let me start with selecting them one after the other and seeing how they can work for me. Okay, out of these ones that I've actually downloaded, which one can actually be of help? I think this is not bad. So the rest can, this is not so bad too. I think let me use this, or let me see the one I use. Okay, then I will use this then. So I'm going to be using you. Hello. And there's one unique thing I actually like about it. I think I'm going to make it black. It's not going to be interrupting with the black at the background. Let's see. Black. Let's go back to filter for the background and adjust this background. Okay, so this is not bad now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go back to my element and I will write there gradient. There's a line I'm actually looking for under gradient, the colorful line. So this is the line. This is the line I'm going to be using to create the frame. Do little enlargement. Okay, copy and paste. Let me is this straight? 90, yeah, 90 degree. And zooming 20, 200 is not bad. Okay, then I'm going to take it backward. Position back. Okay, then I will duplicate this again. Flip other side. Copy. Flip. Okay, and this is not. Let me zoom 200 and see all the edges. Yep. So this is my box. So I'm going to write there Black Friday. So I go to my font. One of my favorite font. I use some of these bright color for my as my font. So I'm looking for the font. The font is, you may actually see your own easily, but mine is down. I don't know why. Down. I think I should have even seen it for now. Let me just copy the font. This is the font right here. You can get the font from here. Scroll down, see what I can show you before I end this video. The font is actually there. Yeah, this is it. This is the font I'm actually looking for, the glue. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on heading. Then after clicking on heading, then I'll use this to write my black. Then I'll change the font to something like curve. Okay. There is something I want to do to this. I'll go to effect. I'm going to make it outline. Yep. Then let me see again. Okay. Then I want to now add my brand name. My brand name will be just here. So adding again, Eben Court. Let me change the font once again to something that will be interesting. And then I'm going to make this how many degrees this time? That will be 90. This 90, this not 90. 90. Yep. So this is it. Let me see the color I use during this. Okay, I change it to the color around the frame. Let me just go to color, change it to that, and any other thing you want to put, you can add any other thing around it. But I think this is nice, so I just decided to use it around all my products. The same background. I dragged the whole of the work, put it aside. Black Friday, I wrote the date there. Then I began to write all my details around it. So this is nice. Give it a try for your own brand, and I'm very sure you find this video of interest. Very sure you have subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Remember to subscribe again, and make sure you like this video. Thank you. Bye.